What is going on, guys? Quincy here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can get yourself a nice $15 on Cash App for free. Now, what you want to do is you want to sign up on Cash App using my link, or if you already have Cash App and you haven't done any transactions on it and it's a new Cash App, you can use my code, my referral code. The code will be down in the description for you guys to use that. So today, how I figured out that my Cash App gives $15 for signing up using it. It's kind of crazy. A guy, he didn't have Cash App and he wanted to pay me for a giveaway over on Twitter. So basically, I'm explaining that when I do giveaways on Twitter, people, they have to follow the person that sponsored the giveaway, and this guy was a sponsor. So I'll show his screenshot. That's the reason why he sent me $10. But if you send somebody $5 or you send a family member $5 and they send it back to you, you still get the $15 for signing up. Okay, you still get this $15 for using my code if you do. So he got $15, right? He paid me $10 for the service. Basically, I just shouted him out, $5 giveaway. I keep $5. So he did the giveaway on my page, and he got about almost 500 followers from it. Like, I think it reached like 450. So he got about almost 500 followers off of that giveaway. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you can enter the giveaways and have a chance to win free money. I mean, I've had somebody sponsor literally a $250 giveaway on my page before, and that was like a few weeks ago. So people are always running giveaways on my page literally every day. You guys might want to check me out on Twitter. Also, Cash App is pretty awesome. They do a lot of giveaways. They actually managed to send me $200 not too long ago. I'll put that screenshot up on the screen here for you guys. They sent me 200, and I'm not lying. Like, literally, like, it was surprising. Like, what the heck? So you guys might want to, use that code. You might just have some luck from Cash App. They might just slap your Cash App account with $200, man. I'm telling you guys to check it out. Use my code. If you're brand new to getting your own debit card or credit card or anything like that, and you haven't gotten into using Cash App, I would highly guarantee that you will enjoy using Cash App. It's extremely fast. It's like PayPal, just 15 times faster, and they give you free money. So you might want to sign up using Cash App, using my code in the description, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this nice video. Also, let me tell you guys, if you have already signed up on Cash App and you really use it, you can deactivate your account and make another one using my code. Just make sure you deactivate your account and then download Cash App again using my link down in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and take care, guys.